Hi, my name is Marilu de la Paz, and I will be presenting to you what is MMM, its rules, and its ideology. MMM is founded by Mr. Sergi Mavroudi. He is the leader of social financial community. Having a degree in mathematics, he worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded is one of the leading computer equipment in Russia. As a youth, he showed great talent in exact sciences and won numerous physical and mathematical Olympiads. In 1989, he founded a cooperative society called MMM. So what is MMM stands for? MMM stands for Mavroudi Mondial Moneybox. MMM is not a company. It is not also an organization. It doesn't have owners, but it is a community of people. In MMM, there is no central bank or there is no account that kept all the money. All the money is kept by the participant itself. So you don't have to deposit your money to one account, but you have to take care of it yourself. MMM just connects those who want to give help and those who want to receive help. So MMM is just a bridge that connecting people that want to give help and those who want to get help. So for more than 4 years, MMM successfully unites millions of participants from all over the world. So MMM is existing in some of the countries in the whole world. There are MMM Philippines, MMM Indonesia, MMM Russia, and any other parts of the world. So wherever you are, you can participate in MMM. How does MMM work? So MMM works on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM promises nothing. There is no promises in MMM. There are no guarantees and there are no pledge of property or there are no collaterals. In MMM, there is no lenders and there is no debtors. Everything is just so simple. One participant asks help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. So MMM uses Bitcoin infrastructure in all its transactions. This is for smooth transferring of all money and people all around the world. We only use one currency exchange, and that's Bitcoin. The combination of MMM and Bitcoin ideas of fair and free financial system makes possible for us to establish significant changes in the modern world. So MMM technically works by participants transferring their money directly from each other. So as you can see here in the picture, there is from one person to another person to other person. They just give directly. There is no mediator that gets all the money and distribute it to its participants. So what are the advantages of MMM? MMM has a lot of advantages. It gives 30% regular growth per month for the help you provided. So that's the regular. And you can also earn from 20% to 100% growth per month for the help you provided on MMM Extra. It will be dependent on the participants' involvement in the development of the community. So we have also 10% referral bonus for every help provided by the people you invited. It is not uh, required, but the participants are making effort in inviting people for the development of the community, you will be given a 10% bonus. Aside from the referral bonus, you can also get, if you are a leader or a manager, you can get from 1%, from 5% to 3%, 1% up to 0.001%, starting from the 9th level, and so on, as your manager's bonus. So if you want to be a manager, you can enroll in the managerial school. If you want to earn referral bonus of 10%, you can promote MMM in the community and invite people to join. And you can also have 100% growth of your deposits or of your provided help if you are actively participating in all the tasks by the MMM Extra. So there are lots of advantages when you join MMM. So the goals of MMM is just to help all people around the world to live financially free and to create a fair financial system to all the people. It also aims to create an equal financial relationship between all people. So today, learn how to become a health provider by helping people reach their dreams. MMM, there is a power of giving. And together, if we will unite, we change the world. Thank you and God bless.